Views are a snapshot of the visualization options: position, zoom, rendering style, and much more. These visualization options are interpolated when changing selection on View's window. Now we'll change rendering settings and we'll save a new view. As you can see, selecting the new view will make rendering settings change. In this case, we simply reduced the number of isotherms. Also, left panel's visibility is saved with views. An extremely useful information saved with views is visibility of labels layers. You can also display a rectangle representing View's position and zoom. This will give you an alternative way to position views.